Hi friends, today we are doing Thai painting. Things are mentioned. First, I have taken printout of design and I have drawn on paper. Now I am taking flexible glue and I will border my full design. You can see it, friends. Thai painting means tradition. Thai art depicts images of Buddha. Gold leaf element is one of the most famous art techniques of this painting. Thai art is the reflection of emotions. In this Thai painting, I have made peacocks, elephants and leaf structure. See friends, I have bordered half tree. Friends, I am using fabrical glue because when it dries, it becomes transparent. I want this glue for my texture. Friends, I have taken black color and now I will paint full painting with black color but not the designs. I do not want black color in my design, so I am doing carefully. See friends, my black color is done. Now I am taking golden color and I will do in designs. Golden leaf is a specialty of Thai painting. I will do 2 coatings of golden color so it will look better. Better do it with lots of patience. See friends how it's looking. Friends, if you love my painting then like and subscribe. Friends, now I am taking red color and now I will give sponge effect. See friends, I am dipping sponge in red color. And I will take out the extra color on the paper. Now I will give reddish effect on my black background. You can see it friends. It's looking so nice. See friends. For getting notifications of my new video, then press bell icon. See friends, my painting is done. How it's looking. Thank you. Bye friends.